my dear friends. Welcome to Art Magic.
Hi, kids. It's the Christmas season. Let's have some fun. What is the most popular thing we do during Christmas? Guess what? Yes, my dear, it's to create a snowman. But it's very cold outside, so before we make one in the snow, let's draw it instead. Drawing a snowman is very easy and lots of fun. We just need to create some circles. We'll need a big carrot for his nose, buttons for his eyes, and collect a few sticks for his arms. Wow! Please share your drawings with me on Facebook. I'd love to see and be a part of your enjoyment. Now, he's dancing with us. Let's enjoy our holiday and have loads of fun. Merry Christmas to everybody.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.